Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Shopify after updating tax settings, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to the settings section located at the bottom left corner. Click on taxes to access your tax settings. Review the changes you have made to your tax settings. Ensure that all relevant tax rates are properly updated. Once verified, return to the main dashboard. Click on Orders from the left-hand menu. Locate the order for which you want to withdraw funds. Select the order by clicking on it. In the order details, find the More Actions drop-down. Click on Refund if you need to process a refund. For withdrawing funds, go back to the dashboard. Click on Finances or Payments in the left menu. Select Payouts to view your recent transactions. Find the payout you wish to withdraw. Click on it to view the details of the transaction. If there's a balance ready to be withdrawn, locate the Withdraw option. Follow on-screen prompts to complete the withdrawal. Confirm the withdrawal details to initiate the process. Wait for the confirmation message indicating the withdrawal is successful. Check your bank account for the withdrawal to be processed. Review any fees associated with the transaction. Once completed, your withdrawal process is finalized. Make sure to keep track of your financial records for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.